The Akash Air Defense system was featured in the export list for the first time last year, and latest reports indicate that the export customer was Armenia, which has opted for the Army variant that features an integrated truck-based configuration. Indian Navy has successfully completed the first in-country pilot training of MH-60 helicopters at INS Garuda in Kochi. Tonbo Imaging has unveiled its infinity fire control sights for grenade launchers and M2 machine guns, that is equipped with sensors and thermal imagers for all condition operation. The DRDO will soon conduct the first test of Nag Mark2 anti-tank guided missile from Archer drone. Bengaluru-based flying Wedge Defense has unveiled its Narakyaan killer drone, that has an endurance of 10 minutes, and can destroy enemy drones with dive attacks at 320 km/h. Lucknow will host its first ever Army Day parade on 15th January in 2024. As per latest information, the Tejas MK2 program is facing a revised timeline, and the first aircraft rollout that was previously scheduled for December 2023 has now been pushed to early 2027, mainly due to funding delays and a focus on higher indigenous content. The first flight that was originally slated for December 2024 has now been pushed to 2028, and production is expected to begin in early 2030, marking a significant delay from the initial projections. The program now aims for over 80% of the aircraft to be built using Indian components right from the first aircraft, compared to the earlier target of 65%, to mitigate potential disruptions caused by ongoing global conflicts. The DRDO's Center for Airborne Systems has submitted a formal proposal to Air Force Headquarters to get acceptance of necessity for the Indigenous Advanced Electronic Warfare Suite program for Su-30 aircraft. The Air Force has specified strict deadlines for flight testing activities on the modified Su-30, due to which the Center for Airborne Systems has proposed to start detailed design activities for the EW suite installation even before the official project sanction. The DRDO has issued a tender for hardware integration to support the ongoing program for the 300 mm long-range guided rocket that must be carried out in 15 months. Tender documents reveals that the scope of work includes rocket propulsion system, launcher tube and pod assembly, and the selected contractor will play a vital role in ensuring the smooth integration and maintenance of critical hardware components to develop a new advanced multiple launch rocket system for the Indian Army. The Indian Navy is looking at private sector companies to develop cutting-edge artificial intelligence solutions for smart ship operations and automate critical aspects of ship operation, including enhanced situational awareness, predictive collision avoidance, automated navigation and decision support. Artificial intelligence can also assist in route planning, facilitate predictive maintenance, and even weather-optimized navigation. Today's top 3 comments.